Hey guys, it's your girl Krystle and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to do a part 1 of a pill that I want to try. It is called, well, it's by The Ordinary, and it's their peeling solution with AHA 30% and BHA 2%. So it looks like this. I got it from Ulta and it was about I think like $8. So it's very inexpensive and it's tested on humans and not animals. So you guys know how I feel about animals. So BHA is, and I have it in my phone. So BHA is beta hydroxy acid and AHA is alpha hydroxy acid. So AHA is a soluble acid and it's made from like sugary fruit, so like grapes, and it had grapes and sugar cane. So it's made from that, and it's supposed to help with like texture with the skin, which is like my main thing. And it says and blemishes as well. So my main concern right now is my texture. So I have like a lot of texture over here on this side. Not so much over here, but over here is like texture galore. So if you can see that, I just want to clear that up. So I'm going to try this for a couple weeks and see the difference, and then I'm going to upload like the part 2 of like basically my results. So it comes, I haven't even opened it yet. So it has a sunburn alert on here, so I would definitely use this with sunscreen, or more so just use it at night so you don't have to worry about a sunscreen. And then also it also says to use it on a dry face. So I've already washed my face and it's like super dry. So if it looks dry, then that's why, because I literally just washed my face and I have nothing on my face. So yeah, so I'm gonna test this out and see how it goes. It's dark red, like it's super dark. It almost looks like blood. It's like disgusting. This is what it looks like. Hopefully I don't spill this. I have a towel just in case, but yeah, so it says to put it on for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna apply this on my face, just a couple drops, and just apply it with my fingertips as it states on. Ew, it looks like blood. Oh, this is kind of gross. Okay, so it says to apply it with your fingertips. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, my dogs are in here fighting. They need to chill. Okay, I don't think this is enough. So I like OD on products. Like I put so much on. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. Okay, so this looks so gross, you guys. Hopefully it works. I have like some breakouts on my chin for whatever reason. I usually don't have breakouts on my chin, but I was thinking because when I sit at work at my desk, I kind of like go like this sometimes, and like my hands are not always clean, so I put them there on my face. So I think that's why. But on the good part, like I used to have, like I couldn't get rid of like these bumps that were here, and those are gone, but now I have them on my chin. So I've been trying, I'm making a video. So I've been trying to not touch my face as much while I'm at work. And then also, I was visiting my family in Detroit this past weekend, eating so unhealthy. You know, I had chili fries, some red pop. I actually had some spaghetti that had meat in it. I tried to pick it out, but you know how that go. Alright. So this looks pretty gross. I'm just gonna sit that there. It's starting to burn or sting or something a little bit. I mean, I guess that's enough. I just really want to make sure it gets over here. So it says to let it sit for 10 minutes, and the fact it's so red, like it's literally on my towel red. It says to let it sit for 10 minutes, and right now it is 7:44. 7:44. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Oh, it says not recommended to use more than twice per week. So I guess I'll use it twice a week. So today is Tuesday. So I'll do it again on Thursday. Or maybe Friday. Nope, I'm gonna be out of town Friday. So I'm gonna have to do it Thursday night again and see how it goes. Hopefully we have winter. And after this, I probably won't, I don't know if I really want to keep trying like all these new products, but I just really want my skin and my texture to like clear up over here. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so it's been longer than 10 minutes. It's been actually 13 minutes. So it's been a little longer than 10 minutes. It's been actually like 13 minutes. It's now 7:57 and I'm gonna rinse this off now. It does burn a little bit, like I said, but not like too bad. Like it doesn't hurt. So yeah, I'm just gonna rinse this off. It says to rinse it off with lukewarm water. So I'm gonna do that and be back again. Okay, so I'm back. I rinsed that off. All right, here's my skin. It is a little softer. And but this is before I put any moisturizer or anything on it. Here's the other side. I have a dark spot. I think I picked that pimple. But I told you I was making a video. Okay. So, as I always do, I'm going to use my rose water. This, my Pixie toner, like a drop left. Yeah, so it's underlined to only use it for 10 minutes. But I'm really hoping to get some good results from this. Because if I can just get rid of that texture, I'll be like good to go. Also, make sure you don't get it in your eyes. For some reason, I feel like it could probably just like burn your eyes out. I mean, not literally, but alright, so then you guys know I still use my Neutrogena. Although I do want to try, I don't know, I want to try new moisturizer, but like I said, I don't want to keep changing my products, so I'm just going to try to keep with this. It's not bad, it's not like giving me any trouble, so like why would I change it? Alright, just like why wouldn't you be subscribed? So like if you're not, you should probably just go ahead and click the subscribe button, because I will be posting another video soon. I'm supposed to do them every Sunday, but I was out of town this past Sunday, so I didn't. I'll probably give you guys 2 videos this week to make up for that, and then I'll be back on it again on Sunday. Alright, so that is part 1 of this video. Like I said, I am going to upload another video on the results and how I feel about this in a couple weeks, but for now this is what we're looking like. All right, that's all I have. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.